Let's draw a big friendly dinosaur. A great big round body. Your turn. A long neck, up and around. Spiky bumps, up, down, up. A long pointy tail. A stompy leg. Two stompy legs. One little eye. Great job!